Hello and welcome to Bolosign. Today in this video, we will learn how to send and sign your first document. First, open your Bolosign app. To upload any document, we'll click on this plus icon. From here, you can choose any of the option to select your document or contract. I'll select my file and I have selected partnership agreement. Who is the signee? Either I'm the one who is just going to sign the document or I'm going to send anyone or a person is going to sign in person. For this tutorial, we are going to send the doc to the person on their email, so we will select others remotely. Now we will add their email and their name. Click on this add signer to add more recipients. You can add more signers according to the requirement. Once the signers are selected, we'll click on create document. As you can see, our document is uploaded. Now we can place the field as per the requirements. We'll click on this plus icon again to add the fields. For example, I want the signature. We can resize it and place it where we want. Now we will click on the plus icon again and change the role to other signers and add their fields which they have to fill. Just like this. Once all arrangements are done, we'll click on send. As you can see, send to the signers. Our document has been sent successfully. This is how you and your clients will receive the mail. Click on sign now. Start signing if you want to add your signature, or you can choose other options as well, like sign later or decline to sign. Since we are going to add the signature, we'll click on start signing. Here you can see the fields which you need to fill. We'll click on the field to add our signature. You can either draw or upload or type or use any saved signature. Just click on accept and sign. Once everything is done, click on finish. I hope you understood the whole process. Thanks for watching.